Thank you for clicking this video. You are listening to Neetcognition, a channel for education excellence. In biology, every chapter has got its own challenges. For example, if you take physiology, you have to understand the concepts. There will be difficulty in understanding the mechanism of urine formation. Same way, the cardiac cycle and the ECG waves, studying about the ECG wave. You may find difficulty over there. What about animal kingdom? The main thing is memory and retention because it has got lot of scientific names. What forms the basis of classification? Each phylum has got its own unique characteristics, and one more thing is you have to correlate the scientific name with the common name. So in animal kingdom, the volume of information is more. Learn the basic terminologies first. So what forms the classification of animal kingdom? Level of organization, symmetry, body cavity or coelom, notochord, all these things you should be thorough. You should understand, okay? You should not by heart, you should understand. And second thing is, first by heart the 11 phylums. Singular is phylum, plural means phylums or phyla. Okay, totally 11 phylums are given in animal kingdom. Try to by heart that in order. Okay, 11 phylum in order. I am going to use different sketches so that it will be useful. You will understand when you follow the video why I am writing it in different colors. First, I am going to write Porifera. This is the simplest organism. How they have arranged this 11 is from the simple to the complex. Coelenterata or Cnidaria. Then Ctenophora. I am going to write this two in the same color because they have some characteristics which show similarity. Pronounce this Platyhelminthes, Askelminthes. Get the pronunciation always right because that will give you more confident. Sometimes it happens in the classes. I have seen many of my friends, they know the answer but still they won't give the answer because they don't know the right pronunciation. So try to learn the words with right pronunciation. 7 phylums: Porifera, Coelenterata, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Askelminthes, Annelids, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. It may sound very simple, like learning this 11 phylum is not a big thing, but see, at the time of exam even this may get confused. So be thorough right from the beginning, as Porifera is the simplest organism among this phylum. So first, Porifera, level of organization is cellular level. This is cellular level of organization, which means it is nothing but collection of cells. Okay, next you have Coelenterata and Ctenophora. These two have what type of level of organization? Tissue level of organization. A stage which is more advanced than cellular level of organization. From Platyhelminthes to Chordata, this is organ level of organization. One phylum which contains cellular level of organization, Porifera. Name the two phylums which has tissue level of organization, Coelenterata and Ctenophora. If they ask about organs or organ system level of organization, all these will come. That is from Platyhelminthes to Chordata. Porifera is the only phylum which shows asymmetry. Coelenterata and Ctenophora shows radial symmetry. Again from Platyhelminthes to Chordata, all the phylum shows bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry. Always study the exceptions. That is, Echinodermata is an exception which shows both symmetry, bilateral and radial symmetry. Bilateral symmetry is observed in larva stage and radial symmetry is observed in adult stage. Next comes the last, that is the body cavity or coelom. From Porifera to Platyhelminthes, they are acoelomates. That is, true coelom is absent. There is one important MCQ here. The only phylum which shows pseudocoelom is Askelminthes. So pseudocoelomates. Askelminthes are pseudocoelomates. Annelids to Chordata, they are coelomates. That is, they contain true coelom. We can easily attend the MCQs. See, Porifera is the only phylum which has cellular level of organization, shows asymmetry and they are acoelomates. Next, Coelenterata and Ctenophora Both show tissue level of organization with radial symmetry and their AC limits. Platyhelminthes, organ level organization, bilaterally symmetrical, AC limit. Next, Ascalminthes. This is the only phylum which is a pseudo C limit. Next, from annelids to chordata, all have organ level system of organization. Everything shows bilateral symmetry except Echinodermata, which shows both, that is bilateral and radial symmetry. That is, during the larva stage they are bilateral, and during the adult stage they are radially symmetrical. Next, from annelids to chordata, all the phylum contains true cavity, so they are called as coelomates. Stay tuned with Neetcognition. I'll keep updating the rest of the characteristics in animal kingdom.